Mom here with my Igloo Maxcold Cube Cooler. Now this is actually our second of these in about 5-6 years because we love it so much we wore the heck out of the last one. Now it says that the can capacity is 98 cans. We've honestly never tried to put that many in them, but what we have done is pack it full for camping trips and beach trips and things like that. So there's enough room in here for us to load it with water for a beach trip plus our food for the day. Also, we've packed it full for camping trips where we get all our cold food in here and then we have our warm food separate. So one thing we really like is that you can fit taller things in here. So I can fit whole wine bottles in here sitting up tall without any issue and without having to lay them down. That means if we open them, then we can put that cork back in there and not have to worry about them spilling. Also, with the tall capacity, I can fit this thing in the back of my car with the third row up without any issue. So I don't have to lay down any seats. It fits right in there without any issue. And with the tall of it, I'm not using up the whole width of my third row back capacity. So really like that with the cube versus the normal wide cooler. Also, I'm able to pick this up myself instead of having to use my husband. When the coolers are really wide, it's harder for me, right? I'm like stretching my arms out trying to lift it. And so the cube is much easier for me to use. Now it has a telescoping handle, obviously. It also has a couple of cup holders on top. And then it has this little waterproof bin on top that you can use. This is actually really nice when we're at the beach. We can throw our phone in here and a couple, keys, and we have it secure, but it's separate from the water in the cooler itself. It also has standard for the spout in the back to drain it. So works really nicely. I like that it's really in the bottom there of the cooler. The wheels are also really heavy duty. So like we said, we take this thing to the beach and we're able to roll it on the boardwalks that are, bumpy, and it rolls really well without issue. So like I said, second of these that we've purchased in 5 or 6 years. The size difference of having this taller cooler versus the wide one really just works well for us, and it fits way better in my car, and it's keeping things cool for us. Now it says that it can keep ice cold for up to 4 days. We live in a really hot area, and so when it's super hot and we have this sitting outside, we have been able to put ice in it one morning and have it last through that day and the next. So about 2 days with it being used and open and closed and 100% outside and probably even in the sun. I haven't tested it out at 4 days. We haven't had to keep it cold that long, but it's definitely keeping our ice cold. It fits everything we need and it fits great in my car.